So what Deb did is she shaved the end off. She's going to put a little bit of soap on there to help slide it in a little teeny bit. Put it on your finger and rub it around.
Yep.
And teeny bit. So that makes it smooth just to run in there. And we have a compression clamp, so we're not gluing anything or anything. This is just to help lubricate it to slide in. Alright. I'm going to pause it here while she does this. Give her. Don't swear on camera. You got it in?
Yeah, but I have to raise the
Tub.
about another 1/2 inch.
Okay.
In order to make it so that there's enough room, and it's going to have to come back, possibly.